Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. In today's video, we will explore the timeout command in Linux, a simple yet powerful tool that helps you automatically stop a command after a specified time. This command is especially useful for system administrator and developer when dealing with long running process or automation tasks. This tutorial applies to most Linux distribution, but I will be running these commands on Rocky Linux 9. So let's get started. Let's see the manual page for timeout. Timeout command in Linux allow you to run a command with a time limit. If the command does not finish within the specified time, timeout will automatically terminate it. This is particularly helpful when you are running a task that might hang or take longer than expected time, like downloading a files, running a scripts, or network tests. The basic syntax for timeout is timeout option, and you can mention the duration and the command followed by the arguments. The duration, the time limit of the command, like 10 seconds, 10s for 10 seconds, 5m for 5 minutes, and the command you want to run, and the option is to customize the behavior. Let's see an example. If you want to ping a server but only for 10 seconds, you can run timeout 10s, and I will type ping, let's say google.com. So after 10 seconds, the ping command will automatically stop. This is helpful if you're testing network connectivity and don't want the process to be run indefinitely. Let's see another example. By default, if timeout stops a command, it exits with the status 124 to indicate that the time limit was reached. You can test with timeout. I will give 5 seconds, sleep 10. The sleep command is supposed to run for 10 seconds, but the timeout stop it after 5 seconds. The output will show, let's see, the output will show 124, meaning that the command was terminated by a timeout. Let's see another example. In some case, you might want to forcefully stop a process. Use -k option or --kill -after option, so to send a kill signal if the process does not exist gracefully. So for that, let's create a script. This is a script. Let's save it. Let me cat this script. Let me give the execute permission for this script. Run this script. Let's see how it runs. We have added for loop here from 1 to 15. Once this is the normal behavior of this script. So let's see how we can run with a timeout. The script prints script started and then enter a loop. It runs 15 iteration, printing a message every second with sleep 1 second. Normally the script would take 15 seconds to complete. So now we will be running with timeout. I will use -k, give 5 seconds and followed by 10 seconds. myscript.sh. myscript.sh. Here the script will have 10 seconds to finish. If it's still running for 10 seconds, the timeout will wait another 5 seconds before killing the process completely. As per the output, let's understand why -k did not wait 5 more seconds. The command first sends sick term at 10 seconds. If the script immediately stops on sick term, timeout has no reason to wait another 5 seconds. The -k 5 seconds only applies if the process does not exist after the first kill attempts. So let's see the another example. If you are writing automation script, you can combine timeout with a command like rsync or scp to avoid long running transfer. Imagine you are backing up a file from source to destination using rsync, but you want to limit the operation to 30 seconds to prevent it from running indefinitely. So let's create a test directory and a file. This will create a test directory. I will switch to root, or you need to provide a sudo permission. I will run for loop. This creates 100 random files, each 5 MB in size, inside source directory. These are the files. The file has been created from file 1 to file 100. So let's run timeout command. Timeout. Now we will be running rsync with a timeout. I will give 30 seconds. rsync -av, provide the source directory followed by destination directory. Enter. This ensures the sync operation will automatically stop if it takes longer than 30 seconds. So after the command runs, let's check the destination directory ls-h. I will check destination. So here you can see only the files copied within 30 seconds are present. The rest were skipped because the timeout stopped rsync. If you want timeout to force kill rsync, if it does not stop normally, use -k. You can run timeout -k 5s 30s rsync -av, provide source and destination. So we have already copied the files. Let me delete those things. So let me run the timeout command once again. So here the timeout gives rsync 30 seconds to complete. If it is still running after 30 seconds, timeout wait for 5 more seconds and forcefully kills it. This method is useful when you want to prevent rsync from running too long, especially in automated backup script. And that's it for this tutorial. The timeout command is a simple yet essential tool for managing long running process in Linux. Whether you are a testing script, automating a task, or handling a network operations, it helps you to maintain a better control over system resource. These examples were shown on Rocky Linux, but the timeout command works the same way on most Linux distributions like Ubuntu or Fedora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such Linux tutorials. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.